Hello dear friends, Miro from Košice again. It is Sunday lunchtime. We just finished the worship service where we heard the preached word of God, and atmosphere was fantastic. And now all the people that were in the service, we are loading another bus/truck for Ukraine. We have received a couple of big families yesterday night, and the flow starts to be even bigger than it was in the first way. I would like to tell you a big thank you for everyone who is supporting this ministry and this help, and also ask you not only for prayers but also for practical help, so that this could be going on here and from here to Ukraine and to war zone. God bless you. We'll stay in touch.